Somebody should have told your ass not to help protect you. Working with the pack, me and Shorty gon' finesse you. Give a fuck who you is, nigga, you ain't special. Loyalty is everything.